Looking for the best air compressor in 2026? Whether you need it for home projects, car maintenance, or professional use, choosing the right one can make all the difference. In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best air compressors of 2026, carefully selected based on performance, durability, features, and overall value. From compact portable options to powerful heavy-duty machines, there's something here for everyone. We've done the research so you don't have to, saving you time and helping you make the right choice with confidence. Check out the product links in the description below to find the best deals and more details on each air compressor featured in this video. Let's get started. 5-point Vevor 13-gallon air compressor. Upgrade your workflow with a powerful, reliable air compressor designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Built to last. Its 13-gallon large-capacity tank and robust 2 HP motor deliver rapid air buildup in under 3 minutes, while the reinforced, leak-proof valve system ensures consistent and stable performance, even during demanding, long-duration tasks. Enjoy a TUCA, low-noise experience thanks to advanced oil-free technology operating at just 66 dB, making it perfect for use in homes, workshops, and offices without disruption. Designed with convenience in mind, the durable 7-inch reinforced rubber wheels provide smooth mobility, allowing you to easily move it wherever your work takes you. From painting and auto repair to tire inflation and everyday projects, this versatile compressor adapts effortlessly to your needs. Plus, it comes complete with all essential accessories right out of the box, so you can get started immediately with zero hassle. 4. Bostitch 6-gallon Pancake air compressor. Upgrade your workspace with this high-performance air compressor, designed to deliver reliable power when you need it most. With an impressive 150 max PSI and 2.6 CFM at 90 PSI, it's perfectly optimized for finished trades and consistent tool performance. The maintenance-free, oil-free pump ensures long-lasting durability while eliminating the hassle of regular upkeep. Equipped with a high-flow regulator and dual universal couplers, it maximizes efficiency and allows 2 users to work simultaneously with ease. Its user-friendly design features a removable console cover for quick and simple control repairs. Plus, the included 13-piece kit, featuring a 50-foot premium air hose, blowgun with safety nozzle, tire gauge, inflation accessories, and more, makes it a complete solution right out of the box. Watch the YouTube video to see how effortlessly this compressor handles real-world tasks and boosts productivity. 3. California Air Tools CAT 1P1060S. Light upgrade your workspace with the California Air Tools 1P1060S ultra-quiet portable air compressor, engineered for powerful performance without the noise. Operating at an incredibly low 56 decibels, it's perfect for indoor use, garages, and noise-sensitive environments. Its high-efficiency oil-free single-piston pump delivers reliable airflow, 1.20 CFM at 90 psi, 1.60 CFM at 40 psi, while lasting over 3,000 hours, reducing maintenance and ensuring long-term durability. The 0.6 HP motor runs at a low 1680 RPM, minimizing wear and keeping operations smooth and quiet. Weighing just 29 pounds, this lightweight yet heavy-duty compressor is easy to carry wherever your work takes you. Whether you're using nail guns, airbrushes, or inflating tires and sports equipment, this versatile 1-gallon compressor provides clean, consistent air for a wide range of applications, making it the perfect addition to any home or professional setup. 2 Craftsman air compressors, 6-gallon. Power up your projects with the Craftsman 6-gallon Pancake air compressor, a compact yet powerful solution designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Featuring a reliable 120-volt 1.0 HP motor, this lightweight 30.8-pound unit delivers up to 150 psi with 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, providing consistent airflow to run multiple tools simultaneously with dual quick couplers. Its oil-free pump ensures long-lasting, maintenance-free performance, while the durable iron body and ergonomic handle make it easy to carry from your garage to any job site. Ideal for woodworking, roofing, tire inflation, automotive tasks, and home improvement projects, this versatile air compressor combines portability, efficiency, and trusted Craftsman quality, backed by a 1-year warranty and dependable US-based support. One DeWalt DCC02UIB power up your inflation tasks with this versatile high-performance tire inflator, designed for convenience, precision, and reliability. Featuring a high-pressure inflation mode with automatic shutoff, it ensures accurate results every time without the risk of overinflation. This all-in-one solution offers 3 flexible power options: 20-volt max battery, 12-volt DC, or 110 volts AC, making it perfect for use at home or on the go. Built with user convenience in mind, it includes onboard accessory storage and heavy-duty rubber feet to reduce movement during operation, making it ideal for cars, bikes, and more. The threaded chuck provides a secure connection to the valve, while the built-in LED light ensures visibility in low-light conditions. With high-volume inflation and deflation modes, it easily handles larger items like air mattresses and rafts. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this digital tire inflator delivers dependable performance you can trust. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best air compressors of 2026. Whether you're looking for something compact for home use or a heavy-duty option for professional jobs, there's definitely a perfect pick for you on this list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews and recommendations. All the product links are in the description below, so you can easily check prices, features, and grab the best deals right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.